Yes! Let's get ready for an event. Ito yung usual routine kapag may events akong pupuntahan. Pero usually hindi nabubuhol yung buhok ko sa plancha. Ang ganap ko today is with Popik. Magpipilates kami. Jill, magpipilates but hindi mo itaas yung buhok mo. Kaya gusto ko cute ako. If you're wondering, paano ba pag sa mga event may mga dress code ba ganyan-ganyan? Typically meron. Papapasukin ka pa rin naman nila kahit hindi ka spot on sa theme. Ano ba usually ganap sa events? Usually it's just a lot of chikahan. Minsan may mga activities like this one, Pilates. Minsan, sit-down dinner, sit-down lunch. Lahat ba ng events paid? Not really. Oftentimes, yung mga paid is may required din akong i-post like sa feed. Pero usually, hindi. Support for the brand, ganun. Sometimes you're just happy to be there. Sometimes yung mga events na pinupuntahan ko, pwede mag +1. And sometimes, kunyari, mga concerts, music festivals na mga event, dinadala ko actually mga friends ko. So I'm happy na isa yun sa mga opportunities. I get to bring my friends to see their favorite artists or just be there for their favorite brand, ganun. Yung social battery mo minsan nadidrain din talaga. Pero it's also fun meeting new people. It depends din sa vibes ng event. Sometimes it's just pretty chill. Sometimes ang daming nangyari. Nakaka-overstimulate siya actually. Outfit time. So this is my activewear. Both are from Common Mode, pero magpapatang ako netong pullover, zip down, zip up from cheek. Sada. Then for my scents, I'm mixing Replica Lazy Sunday Morning and the Glossy AU. Pares silang clean. Hindi ko alam kung bagay sila, pero malalaman na lang natin tomorrow. Hair reveal. Sana this looks good. Yes! Hindi sila nag-orientation kung ano ba dapat. Pero ang ganda ng ito. Tapos ito parang unsure siya sa life. Pero, yeah, that is my outfit. Babagsak naman to later. So, bye!